Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get a GoDaddy promo code. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you're not already. And after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, where in the upper right corner, you'll be able to log into your account. So after logging in, if you don't already have one, just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by the main page right here, where you can get started with logging in the domain name for your business. We can find all the products and services we can use and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get started with finding a promo code that we can use. The first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and get started with getting the purchase that you want to use the promo code for. So let's say we go into the product services option and we want to buy something like a domain or maybe some hosting and so on, and we want to purchase something and then enter in the promo code at the checkout. What you can do guys is use a website like CouponFollow, where you can go ahead and get search for GoDaddy coupon codes. You can see here are some codes that we can use. As you can see, to get 25% off and so on, you can click the show coupon code button. That's going to enable us to use the coupon code like this one that works. Maybe this will not work when you're watching the video, so you can go ahead and find one for yourself. So just go to Google and search for GoDaddy coupon codes and find a website that's going to give you some. As you can see, we can redeem them at GoDaddy and see if they work. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.